Storybookland. My name is Rose, and I'll be your captain and storyteller aboard your raft. For your safety, we ask that you please remain seated through all voyages, keeping your hands on break and feet inside the boat at all times. And please supervise your inner child so that our story doesn't take any unexpected turns. Now, most people travel to enchanted worlds through the pages of a book. But those that go in person, be it down a rabbit hole or with some pixie dust, find their way into the quite magical or menacing. But don't worry, friends, though it looks like we just passed through the jaws of Monster the Whale, the same world that swallowed Pinocchio, they're actually being transported into a magical place called Storybookland. Our story begins with once upon a time. We're starting out with 3 little pigs and a big bad wolf who lives in a cave over here on my left. She's always helping and helping after those 3 little pigs who built their houses on the right. One of straw, one of gypsum, one of guaranteed, wolf takes six. Right around the corner, our story takes a strange turn. Getting to a quaint this village down to Alice, where one golden afternoon she takes the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, down, down into Wonderland. With things got seriouser and seriouser in there. Such fantastic places were created to inspire storytellers like London Sight on my right, where Peter Pan, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling all flew over with help of Tinkerbell's pixie dust to Neverland, where they would never ever have to grow up. And places like Agrabah, city of mystery and enchantment, where a sweet rat named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. So the two were from different worlds through the power of love and the help of the genie. They were married and live in that golden palace today. These magical places in Storybookland are where love blooms forever. Like the roses in the archways above us, the very ones where Aladdin and Jasmine soared over, sideways and under, on their magic carpet rise to a whole new world. While good stories are still for one night, they have their dark places as well. Places of mystery, like the Cave of Wonders just ahead. Its treasure bears a curse that can only be lifted by the genie of the lamp. Legend says whoever frees the genie will be granted wishes. Let's all make a wish and see if it comes true. Snow White wished for a safe place as she fled the evil queen and came across the cozy forest cottage on my right, home to the 7 dwarfs who offered some shelter and thanks to her kindness. Further back you can see their mine and maybe hear them singing hi-ho. Cinderella wished to go to the ball, but her evil stepmother forbade it and left her behind in the bluest chateau on my left. Her fairy godmother granted her wish, but when she didn't leave by midnight, an carriage turned back into a pumpkin and still sits on that bridge you see there. While magic does have its limits, thankfully, love does not. Now Cinderella lives with her prince in that castle atop the hill. Just goes to show what a great pair of shoes can do for a girl. Dreams can come true, and just like Princess, they inspire our stories here. While some dream of happily ever after, others dream of drifting off the cliff on hills of focus flowers, like the giant poplar quilt on my left that was inspired by the 1933 Philly Symphony cartoon, Lullaby Land. There's magic everywhere in Storybookland. Even our miniature trees will never grow up thanks to Tinkerbell's enchantment, one of the many believers of our master storyteller Walt Disney, and continues to inspire stories today. But of course, we also love the classic West of Wade in the Willows, with Molly, Roddy, and Mr. Toad, whose stately manner is coming up on my left. Rabbit, sorry friends, please have your code is not home right now. He's in his motor car, I'll ride into nowhere in particular. also have stories of magic like that of Ango that lies beneath the snowy mountain. So Elsa fled to that ice palace above, but the oracle Sister Anna refused to let her go. It was this act of true love that saved them both, proving that love and family can weather even a harshest snowstorm. And allowing Anna to once again ask, do you want to go to Canal? In the Alpine village ahead, Woodcarver Geppetto wished upon a star that his puppet would become a real boy. When Pinocchio rescued him from Monstro the whale, the blue fairy granted his wish. And here on my left is Ocean's trading place. This meadow is rich, just like that of so many fairy tales, like the one that led a little mermaid named Ariel to fall century to the castle here on my right, inspiring her to leave her life under the sea, take her first steps on unsteady lakes, and fulfill her dreams of becoming part of our world. The story began in the shadow of the water, King Triton, in the underwater city of Atlantida, here to my left. It is here where the adventures spilled out and over, and like all good stories ended in happily ever after. And although this does conclude our magic here at Storybook Land, I sincerely hope you will all experience today that at Disneyland, the magic never ends. As I close my book and head toward the dock, please keep your fingers, hands, and arms inside the boat. When we come to a full stop, please remain seated. I'm going to count to 3, so everyone stands up at the same time, and no one falls under the sea. Thank you all so much for joining us again, friends. On behalf of all of our storytellers here, we wish you the very best on the rest of your stay here at the Disneyland Resort. Please remain seated.